Weldon Spring, Missouri. Check this out. This guy really thought it was okay to use someone's porch as his personal bathroom. Like, what goes through your mind to think that's normal? Yeah, some people are just wild. Mount Vernon, New York. Folks, stay alert, even when you're getting a delivery. Yeah, that's not part of the delivery service.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message.
Get out of here. Stop knocking on my door. Get out of here.
Hello?
You need to leave or I'm going to call the sheriffs and they're going to pick you up.
Go ahead and stop.
Bethesda, Maryland.
203?
They have a ring camera?
Yeah, no, that's
Wrong house. And instead of just leaving, they try to force the door.
Are you sure, Sam?
Oh, I'm just a little.
No, sorry, I got nothing. Sorry, no, I got nothing. Sorry.
East Orange, New Jersey. This dude was this close to getting robbed, right in front of his own house. Stay sharp. Clifton, New Jersey. This guy shows up for an inquiry, doesn't get an answer, and then starts cursing out the homeowner.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Hey, real quick, while I'm over here, because we get complaints in the neighborhood with the internet. You guys have Optimum, right?
Yeah. No, I'm not interested.
Look, I completely understand. I'm not here selling you anything.
Okay.
Only reason I'm here is because we're getting complaints. We're just making sure everything is going fine with you guys. How much you guys pay in a month, if you don't mind me asking?
I don't really know offhand, but I'm not
You don't feel I completely understand, but again, I'm not selling anything. I'm here to help. Okay. Here.
Like, yeah, that's not exactly how you handle the job, man. New Rochelle, New York. This guy tries to carjack, but it doesn't go his way. Yeah, messy, reckless, and just plain wrong.
Good try, sir.
East Orange, New Jersey.
It may take a moment to answer. Please wait.
Too much now. No, pull it in. Come on, no.
Another person getting robbed right in front of their house, all caught on the doorbell cam. Feels like we're seeing this kind of thing almost every day now. Yonkers, New York. She shows up asking for footage from a car accident last week, but the homeowner can't go back that far. Instead of taking that answer, she gets mad, starts banging on the door, ringing the bell nonstop, and then smears ketchup all over it.
So sorry to bother you again.
Fresno, California. This one's a little unusual. Random guy walks right past the gate and goes straight to the window.
Hello?
Hi, my name's Todd. I'm just encouraging Bible reading this morning. It seems like you might not be home, so I'm back in it.
Excuse me?
I was just coming with a Bible message, but if you're not at home or busy, I could come back another day.
Okay, thank you.
Ready?
He didn't go to any other house, just this one. Yeah. Concord, California. Lots of late-night wanderers out here, checking doors, scanning porches, grabbing whatever's left outside. That's why it matters. Grab your packages on time and keep those doors locked, folks. Daly City, California. Here comes another walker who spots an opportunity and just starts grabbing mail from the mailbox without thinking twice. Unbelievable. Walnut Creek, California. This guy's out here acting like he's got a job to do. Like, yeah, don't pretend you're working. We all see what you're trying to do here. Berkeley, California. Check this out.
Thank you, thank you.
Like, sir, we're not giving stuff away here. Please bring the chair back.
Whatever.
Concord, California. These two ladies show up, ring the doorbell, then go ahead and test the doorknob. Now, maybe they think they're at the wrong house, but the homeowner's not buying that for a second.
You may leave now. Don't try to open my door.
Yeah, that's a little too suspicious to just brush off.
Thank you. Off of my property right now.
San Francisco, California. Honestly, how are we even supposed to deal with this kind of stuff? People roaming around late at night, checking doors, mailboxes, anything they can get their hands on. Fort Worth, Texas. This woman's out here walking up and down the street, trying people's front doors.
What are you doing?
Wait, what? I can't even get in there.
Yeah, that's a situation you don't engage with. Just stay inside and stay safe. Phoenix, Arizona. Honestly, people are getting way too bold these days. Like, you wouldn't even believe it unless you saw it. Watch this and you'll see exactly what I mean.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'll put my tools up. I put the light in there.
Billy. What are you looking for?
Nothing, just see familiar. I just put my tools in there in the box because I feel like it was my area.
But those aren't your tools.
Alright.
Leave it there.
This is mine. This is what I was putting in there. So I felt like it was mine. But I apologize.
Don Mendoza, ma, que anda un moreno allá afuera robándose las cosas de él.
Ay, niño.
All right.
No, let's go. Go. He said no, he.
It's a 5-way slowdown, 3 miles. You're still on the fastest route.
Oakland, California. This group rolls into the store, grabs a bunch of items, and just runs out like it's nothing.
يا عيال كم قحبة ليكم ماك وستاون and go. What do you mean?
Texarkana, Texas. Looks like even the other creatures are picking up on this porch pirate trend. This guy really thought today was a good day to steal a flag, but wrong house, wrong timing.
My bad. What are you doing? I like to get out of here. You mother.
These two guys walk up like they're about to try something, then spot the doorbell camera and suddenly hit reverse. Like, nope, not today. Alameda,
But there's something
California.
hella funny up in it. Let's see.
Just out here doing some wild stuff right outside someone's home. Like, what even is going on here?
What is this? I don't know, but you know what? There you go. Hello. There you go. Oh, plants. Hello. There you go.
San Francisco, California. Hey, Grandma, put it back. That's not yours. Simple as that. Sacramento, California, midnight. Something's not right here. Sacramento, California, another late night doorknob tester, just walking up and trying his luck. But then, dog steps in, and yeah, he backs off real quick. Sacramento, California. This guy shows up looking out of it, tries to head into someone's backyard. Then suddenly changes his mind. Like, yeah, probably not your best idea, man. Good thing he backed off. Oakland, California. Guys, don't leave your stuff outside. Seriously, people like this won't hesitate. They'll grab anything that's just sitting there. If it's out, it's gone. Oakland, California. This footage will make any car owner's stomach drop. He walks up, breaks the car lock, and just opens the door like it's nothing. Yeah, that's why you don't take chances. Stay alert. Fresno, California, around 3 a.m., the doorbell rings. You go to answer and she's just gone. Yeah, that kind of knock and vanish hits different at that hour.